The Undefeated X Nike Air Max 95 SP La Brea Medium Olive is a rare sneaker limited to just 2,000 pairs. Its standout feature is the muted medium olive upper, with layered suede creating a three-dimensional, textured look. The mudguard showcases the Undefeated logo subtly, while black nylon mesh on the tongue and laces adds a dynamic edge. The Air Max logo on the tongue and reflective details on the heel enhance visibility and style, making it pop on the streets at night. A large visible Max Air unit in blue-gray completes the sleek design. The insole features La Brea and the edition number, emphasizing its limited nature. This collaboration merges Undefeated street culture innovation with Nike's athletic legacy, available exclusively at the La Brea store in Los Angeles. From its layered textures to flowing lines and thoughtful details, this sneaker blends individuality with universal appeal, creating a statement piece that celebrates heritage, evolution, and high-level craftsmanship in every pair.